In this video, we'll analyze these movements in detail, identify key support and resistance levels, and discuss the best entry points for trading gold. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on market trends. Let's dive in. The strong key levels of a support trend line, as we can see just like that now. What you will do next is just simply clone the same line that you have just drawn here and just simply place it right here on the resistance trend line. As well as you can see right now, we have ended up with a channel now, as you can see. The market actually has been ranging inside of this channel so far. The gold seems to be rising above this level of a resistance as well. So right here, the resistance right here exactly. So that means that the gold, after making here the bullish breakout from the resistance, and seems like it's going actually toward the resistance trend line right here. And then I believe the gold is going to reach 2,990 by this week. It's just going to continue to rise. In my opinion, therefore the gold actually has a chance to fill this gap and reach the edge of the resistance trend line again to reach the 2993. So again, even daily chart confirms that we can consider buying the gold for the upcoming week. All right? So now we have confirmed the direction based on weekly and daily chart. Now actually our style. Style here is to identify the direction of the market based on these two time frames. Then after that, we will switch to the smaller time frame, such as 4-hour time frame, to find the decent entry. So now both of these two time frames confirms a continuation in the bullish momentum. Now let's delete all of this and move now to the 4-hour time frame. Now here, actually we can do some analysis. So let me again just now squeeze the chart like that, or actually the right term is lowering the price scale. Now what we can do here also is actually draw here a support trend line. So as you can see, the gold seems to be respecting actually this level of a resistance trend line. Now what I would like to highlight here is of course this broken level of a structure. Now here we have a strong structure, as you can see, long-term structure that recently has just been broken out from. So that means that the gold actually has a chance to actually retest the broken level of a resistance at 2786. And it has already done that. That's confirming that the market is indeed respecting, first of all, the broken level of a resistance to become here a new support. Plus, of course, respecting the support trend line that we have right here. So therefore, we actually have a good chance to buy the gold once it falls back again, to retest the same level of a support trend line right here to continue the pattern. So again, a 4-hour time frame also seems to confirming the direction as well. So let me just now do like this. Now what you will do next is simply draw the Fibonacci retracement right from the nearest level of actually, how can I say this? We have here a broken structure, right? As we have justed earlier. So what you will do right now is just draw the Fibonacci right from the beginning of the new Fibonacci 50, which seems to be complies with the support trend line, as we can see right here, and also retesting the broken level of a resistance at Fibonacci 550 at 2829. Therefore, I would actually recommend to buy the gold again. Exactly. Right. From that area, we have to wait for the market to fall to another 300 pips before we can consider buying it exactly from that level at Fibonacci 50. Therefore, we will buy the gold from exactly 283 Z. That's going to be our new boy where we can buy the gold again and hoping, of course, for the best. Our safe zone in this case should not actually be ranging much lower than Fibonacci 61.8. As actually Fibonacci 61.8 is a possible level of a bullish reversal. So therefore our safe zone in this case will be ranging for around 227 pips, and our take profit level in this case actually is going to be right here, of course at the highest level of the resistance at 286, where the GO has ever reached the highest of its history. Therefore, we'll actually be aiming 566 pips of profit against 20 pips. Thank you for watching.